Hello everybody, today we are going to see about the unboxing video of Snibe MAGLUMI Thyroglobulin CLIA chemiluminescence immunoassay method. Over here we can see the brand name Snibe. Over here we can see the product name MAGLUMI Thyroglobulin CLIA. This kit is used to analyze the thyroglobulin levels in human serum or plasma. Here we can see the contents of this kit: 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 12.5 ml buffer, 17.5 ml ABE label, 5.5 ml dilute, 1 ml control 1, 1 ml control 2. Here we can see the reference number of this kit 130253006M, then lot number, then expiry date. This is a C certificate IVD product. Over here we can see the pictorial representation represents one instruction one inside this kit. We can store away from direct sunlight. We should maintain the temperature of this kit between 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. That's why I am using ice pack to maintain the temperature of this kit. We can do 100 tests using this reagent kit. Here we can see the manufacturing address of this kit. This kit is manufacturing from China, so the origin of the kit is China. Here we can also see the European representation address. This is overall print of this product. Here we can see the another angles. In this side we can see the brand name Snibe. On the back side we can see the brand name Snibe. On this side we can see the product name MAGLUMI Thyroglobulin, reference number 130253006M, then lot number, then expiry date. This is the overall representation of this product. Now I am going to unpack this for your reference. We can open this product this side. After opening, we can see clearly the controls and also reagent kits. Controls, reagent kits, then instruction manual as well as. I am going to take this one by one. After reopening this kit, the first product is here we can see the instruction manual. Here we can see the brand name Snibe, product name MAGLUMI Thyroglobulin CLIA chemiluminescence immunoassay method. This is a C certificate IVD product. Here we can see the reference number of this kit 130253006M, 100 tests per kit. Here we can see the invent use, then summary, test principle, reagents, warnings and precautions, reagent handling, storage and stability, and stability of controls. These are the instructions inside this instruction manual. I am going to keep this aside. And the next one is a reagent seal 3 nozzles. Here we can see TG. TG represents thyroglobulin. I am going to keep this aside. And the next one is a control stickers, total of 8 nozzles. The first 4 for is control 1. And the second 4 for is control 2. So total of 8 nozzles. I am going to keep this aside. And the next one is a QC certificate provided by Snibe. I am going to keep this aside. And next one is a controls packed in a cover. I am going to unpack this for your reference. Here we can see clearly a control 1 and control 2. I am going to see this one. This white color cap is represents a thyroglobulin CLIA control 1. Over here we can see the MAGLUMI volume of 1 ml, thyroglobulin control 1. And next one is the red color cap represents MAGLUMI volume of 1 ml, thyroglobulin control 2. So these are the two controls. Control 1 and control 2. And finally we can see the MAGLUMI Thyroglobulin. This reagent kit contains 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 12.5 ml buffer, 17.5 ml AB label, 5.5 ml dilute. Here we can see the overall representation of this product. This is a back side view. This kit contains the reagent solutions. Now I am going for summary. Today we can see about the Snibe MAGLUMI Thyroglobulin CLIA chemoluminescence amino acid method. This kit contains one instruction manual, a QC certificate provided by Snibe, a reagent seal total of 3 nozzles, a control stickers for both control and control 2, each of 4 nozzles, so total of 8 nozzles of control stickers. Then we can see the control 1 and control 2 solutions. Then a reagent kit. This reagent kit contains 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 12.5 ml buffer, 17.5 ml AB label. As you unpause, we can see the control and control 2. This is the overall representation of this product. Thank you.